So you're thinking about becoming a web developer, but you'd like to know a bit more about what it's like and where to start. Well, you've come to the right place. Surely by now you've seen an untold number of websites on the internet, and if you're in college or have worked in a corporate setting, you may have seen a number of intranet sites as well, such as those built on Microsoft's popular SharePoint platform. As a web developer, you'll be responsible for creating standard websites and rich interactive web applications like many of those you're familiar with. But you'll be faced with a myriad choices in languages, frameworks, and tools. But what if you could get the best of all of these from one development platform that is reinventing the web as we know it? Well, you can. Enter Microsoft Expression Studio and Microsoft Visual Studio. With Visual Studio 2008 and the upcoming 2010 version, you'll create interactive applications for the web using Visual Basic or C# languages while leveraging the power of Microsoft Silverlight and the .NET framework. And with Microsoft Expression Studio, you'll enjoy seamless interaction with Visual Studio using designer tools like Expression Blend, Expression Sketchflow, and Expression Design. With these tools, Microsoft has made it possible to completely decouple the design and development process like never before. But rest assured, you'll still be able to create standards-based websites with the efficient and powerful Expression web platform, while maintaining full support for technologies like PHP, HTML, XHTML, XSLT, CSS, JavaScript, ASP.NET, and ASP.NET Ajax. Let's have a closer look. Welcome to the beautiful user interface of Expression Blend. With Expression Blend, web designers can visually design the look and feel of your web applications and work seamlessly with you as a web developer. For example, web designers can modify the look of this color swatch directly by dragging its handles. They can also go directly to the corresponding XAML code and change it there. Then you as a web developer can implement the code behind it to create this visually stunning circular pattern with a bit of C# code and some basic mathematical calculations. Here's the C# code, and here are the corresponding trigonometric calculations to make the circular pattern. We can modify our calculation here and rebuild the project. And then you'll immediately see the effect of that in the Visual Designer. Because Expression Blend works seamlessly with Visual Studio, we can open up the exact same project in Visual Studio. Visual Studio gives us a much more powerful debugging environment. And you can see the change that we made in Expression Blend is reflected here. I can modify the code here and then go back to Expression Blend. And Expression Blend automatically recognizes that the code was changed. I can then reload the code and rebuild my project. And then you'll see immediately the effects of the changed code. You'll also notice that when I run the project, it runs directly inside a web browser like Internet Explorer. And the application responds very quickly in real time as I interact with it. When it comes to web development, there's no doubt that Silverlight technology is here to stay. So be sure to take advantage of Microsoft Expression Studio and Microsoft Visual Studio, by far the most powerful and advanced web development platforms in the world.